Hello everybody, Jack here, volunteer, Guitars for Vets. I'm going to do a short lesson on strumming, and I have an attached sheet which will appear above my right shoulder. Let's start at the top left, which is triplets. Triplets is a feel. Now if you need to shake your head on every 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, do it. If you need to stomp your foot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, do it. Whatever movement you need so that you get the feel. Okay, so let's take a chord like E minor. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, 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 down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you get ambitious, I didn't put it on the sheet, but you can alternate. You can go down, up, down, up, down, up, like so. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, moving over to the right, you have a long downstroke and then the 2 and a short. So it would be like this: 1, 2 and, 1, 2 and. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now the second one down on the left is like the flip of the one we just did. It's going to go 1 and 2. So down, up, down, down, up, down, etc. So 1 and 2. Okay, the next one over is just straight ahead 4 downstrokes, where you're going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, etc. Now it's not on the sheet, but you could also alternate. Each place there's a plus sign, you could do an upstroke. So it can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, now the next one, third one down on the left side, is interpreted as 1 E and so it's 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and. If you speed that up, it becomes 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and. Sort of like a gallop. Now the next one to the right, third one down on the right, is a similar version to this, except it's flipped over. Now the is actually, if you were looking at a piece of sheet music, the would be coming from the measure just before the 1. So it's a 1 E and a 1 E and like this. 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and. If you sped it up, you would have. Okay. The last one down on the left side is going to be a downstroke, down strum, followed by a down, up, down, up, down. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, now the next one over, last one on the right side, is the flip of the one on the left side. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the shorts are the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 is a long. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And what I wanted to mention in addition is that you don't have to just go with one chord. If you feel like adding another chord to the practice, go right ahead. Add 3 chords, add 4 chords, whatever. So for instance, let's say you start with the triplets on the top left. You can go E minor to A, or E minor to A to D. So for instance, it would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, to add the D to it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now let's take another one. Let's go to the bottom left. We're going to go E minor, A, D, G. For instance, we can go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Those are examples. Use whatever chords you want. If you want to go to, let's say, C, again, bottom left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's go to A minor. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And don't forget, it's shown here as all downstrokes, but you can make them alternating strokes. So you can go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Mix it up. The more you do, the better you're going to get. Hope this helps you.